Well, hi guys, I'm in the Lake District today. I'm going to have a crack at Hallin Fell. It's not a particularly tall one, but I believe the views of Ullswater are fantastic from the summit, so hoping to get some good drone footage. I'm starting off in the little village of Martindale, which has a little church with a free car park. So if you get here sharpish in the morning, you shouldn't have any problem parking. I'll put the starting point and details as usual underneath. So let's see what we see. Bring you guys back later. I just stopped to take a moment to have a look at the hills around me. I've had a bit of snow lately, so the hills are looking pretty good. Well, it really is a lovely day for it. I couldn't have asked for better weather. There's Mr. Frosty overlooking the hillsides. Well, I can see the cairn already. The summit of Hallin Fell is 388 metres or 1,273 feet above sea level, and on a clear day it offers stunning views of Ullswater and the surrounding mountains. Well guys, I made it to the summit of Hallin Fell. That cairn's got to be about 12 feet high. How's that for a view? Stunning views of Ullswater. so we leave the summit of Hallin Fell behind us and begin our descent down to St. Peter's Church in the little village of Martindale. That's it guys, we're coming up on the finish. We've travelled 1.52 kilometres, that's just under a mile, and it's taken roughly around 45 minutes to complete. As usual, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and join me soon for another adventure. Bye for now.